COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations continue to rise. Parts of Oneida County are now under yellow zone restrictions. Governor Cuomo made the announcement during his briefing today, and Oneida County Executive Anthony Pacenti addressed it during his briefing this afternoon. News Channel 2's Caitlin Erla joins us now live in studio to tell us what the zone covers and what it means for Oneida County. Caitlin, good evening.
Good evening, Jason. The yellow zone designation was assigned to a number of local areas today that have the highest concentration of COVID-19 cases. Now, new restrictions are in place to help slow the spread of the virus.
These are the areas now labeled yellow zone by the governor. Utica, Rome, New Hartford, Whitestown, Marcy, Verona, Westmoreland, and parts of Deerfield. A yellow zone designation is triggered when an area has a 3% positivity rate over 10 days.
That doesn't mean that traveling into these areas are unsafe. It simply means that that's where the large number of cases are.
Pacenti says the yellow zone designation should have been for the whole county because the virus is everywhere.
Talk about this 26 towns, 17 villages and 3 cities, and then they're all interconnected in one way or another and overlap. People work in every part of it. So while I understand the concentration numbers, and he's basing that on hospitalizations, I think, more than anything else. So I would also caution that doesn't mean that the virus is not anywhere else.
Here are the yellow zone restrictions. Non-residential gatherings are limited to a maximum of 25 people indoors and outdoors. Houses of worship continue at 50% capacity. Indoor and outdoor dining is still permitted with 50% capacity, but limited to a maximum of 4 people per table. Businesses can remain open in yellow zones, and schools can also stay open if they meet certain testing requirements. Statewide restrictions also continue to apply, including bars, restaurants, and gyms closing at 10 p.m. and limiting gatherings at private homes to 10 people. Pacenti says he hopes the new restrictions will help stop the spread of the virus, but he is concerned that the county could end up in an orange zone if people don't start taking it seriously.
We don't want to get there. That's the goal of the zones, is to send the warning flag up, and hopefully people will also take that into account. Some of the other restrictions that are a part of it will hopefully be, smooth that number down.
Pacenti also spoke briefly about the vaccine. He says we can expect to see the county get the first round of vaccines sometime this week. Jason, back to you.
Caitlin Erla reporting live. Thank you. Today, Oneida County rolled out a new mobile texting app to help the health department improve contact tracing efforts. If you test positive for the virus, you'll get a text message that looks like this one on your screen. When you click on the link, you will receive important follow-up instructions for isolation, notifying close contacts, practicing proper hygiene, and what to do if your symptoms get worse. The Oneida County Public Health Director Phyllis Ellis says this should help get important information out to more people in less time. And while on the subject, the